Today we're going to change the air filter on a Stihl FS410C Brushcutter. First, remove the two screws from the cover on the fuel side of the machine. Once the screws are removed, you can take off the air filter cover. Now, by hand, remove the air filter from the machine. If the air filter looks worn or damaged, it should be replaced. Place in your new air filter, make sure it's seated correctly. Place the air filter cover back on and fix to the machine with a screwdriver. That's how you change the air filter on a Stihl FS410C. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.